In this do-it-yourself video, I will show how to winterize and cut down your ornamental grasses, sometimes called decorative grasses. And so right now it's started to get cold. It's late in the fall and it's about to start snowing, so I want to cut down all this grass. So this is really easy. I've tied a little loop on the end of this rope, this twine. I'm just going to throw this over the top. And then just thread it through the loop. Now I can cinch that up. And you can just tie that off. So now I've got the top covered. I want to get the bottom covered, and so I just have some more string, twine with a little loop on the end, and so I'll put that down as low as I can go. Get it down underneath the part of the grass that just kind of flops over. And then I just put one end under the loop, and now I will pull this up a little bit because I need to be able to cut underneath. And then just cinch that up nice and tight. And just tie that off. Now I've got this all tied up. I'm just going to cut off the bottom. Before I do that, I want to trim off any parts of the twine so it doesn't get caught in the hedge trimmer. And so here's my hedge trimmer. I'll put a link in the description. It's just a Ego hedge trimmer, and so you want to be very careful. Obviously this thing is super sharp, and so make sure that you keep both hands on the trimmer. Don't try to grab down below. You want to be keep your fingers far away from the trimmer itself. What we want to do is we want to cut this down a few inches, maybe 3 or 4 inches from the ground, and just cut it straight through. And that's it.